Welcome back everyone. Today let's talk about the evolution of agriculture in the Philippines, a historical perspective. Agriculture in the Philippines has a rich and diverse history dating back thousands of years. Indigenous communities practiced subsistence farming, cultivating rice, root crops, and various fruits and vegetables. The introduction of rice cultivation, particularly in the fertile plains of central Luzon, played a crucial role in shaping agricultural practices. During the Spanish colonial period, 1565 to 1898, agricultural practices were significantly influenced by European methods. The Spaniards introduced new crops such as corn, cacao, and coffee, while establishing large plantations for sugar, tobacco, and abaca, Manila hemp, that became pivotal to the colonial economy. However, these plantations often relied on forced labor, and local farmers struggled with land ownership issues, leading to social unrest. Following independence in 1946, the agricultural sector underwent several reforms and modernization efforts. The Green Revolution in the 1960s introduced high-yielding varieties of rice and other crops, significantly boosting food production and achieving near self-sufficiency in rice. However, this period also brought challenges, such as environmental degradation and reliance on chemical inputs. Before we continue, my name is Ava. Thank you for visiting our channel. Let's continue on the agriculture current situation. Today, agriculture remains a vital sector in the Philippines, employing about 25% of the workforce and contributing roughly 8% to the country's GDP. The main crops include rice, corn, sugarcane, and coconut, while the fishing industry plays a critical role in providing food and livelihoods. Despite its importance, Philippine agriculture faces numerous challenges. Many farmers struggle with poverty due to low income and inadequate access to modern farming techniques, credit, and markets. Climate change poses a significant threat, with extreme weather events leading to crop failure and increased vulnerability for farmers. Issues related to land ownership, infrastructure, and rural development further hinder progress. In recent years, the government and various organizations have been working on initiatives to promote sustainable agriculture practices, improve infrastructure, and support farmers through technology and education. Future prospects. Looking ahead, the future of Philippine agriculture encompasses several opportunities and challenges. The government aims to increase food security through various programs focusing on research, infrastructure, and climate-resilient farming methods. Emphasizing sustainable practices could mitigate environmental impacts and enhance productivity. Innovations in technology, such as precision agriculture and digital marketing for farmers, hold potential for improving efficiency and accessing broader markets. Strengthening cooperatives and support systems can empower local farmers, fostering community resilience. However, addressing issues like land reform, rural poverty, and climate adaptation will be crucial for the long-term viability of the sector. Collaborative efforts between the government, private sector, and local communities will be essential to navigate these challenges and seize opportunities for a sustainable agricultural future in the Philippines. Philippine agriculture employs a variety of technologies to enhance productivity and efficiency. Some of these include drones. Drones are used for monitoring crop health, surveying fields, and even for spraying pesticides, making it easier to assess and manage large areas. Organic farming techniques. Some farms are adopting organic methods that utilize natural pest control and fertilization techniques, supporting sustainable practices. Mobile apps. Farmers use mobile applications for access to market prices, weather forecasts, and agricultural best practices, facilitating better decision-making. Solar-powered equipment. Solar technology is increasingly being used to power irrigation systems and provide energy for farming equipment, particularly in off-grid areas. Biotechnology. The use of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, and other biotechnological advancements can improve crop resistance to pests and diseases, as well as enhance nutritional content. These technologies aim to address challenges faced by the agricultural sector and promote sustainable practices while improving the livelihoods of farmers in the Philippines. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about the history of farming in the Philippines. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.